Today we will make a short installation on a chassis point of this BMW Air 1200 from 2006. What we need for our installation is right now the battery switch from Battery No Problem, which arrived like this with a screw and the battery switch. We need a key 10 to fix up on chassis and a screwdriver. We will mount the battery switch behind this chrome piece, which we will take off right now. Well, what we got here right now is the original negative cable, which goes from the BMW to the negative. We will pull out this cable, make it here down. Well, and this cable is a cable which we have prepared from the battery, from the negative, and these two cables will right now be mounted on this chassis point together with this battery switch. We will see right now. We begin the little installation. First of all, pull out the original cable negative from the BMW, pull out the chassis, screw, fix together at a negative point with the original BMW negative cable, fix it up and good. So one point we have fixed up. Right now we unscrew the delivered screw from Battery No Problem and put it again with a negative to battery cable. Very important, the diameter of this negative cable has to be like the original one, more or less, to make sure the property connection. So